French Toast style Crunchwrap Supremes. I saw these the other day online and immediately knew I had to make them. Let me show you how to do it. For this, we're going to be using our Charbroil 4-burner gas griddle. We're going to get that lit to medium heat and then place some sliced bacon down. While that cooks, we're going to get some breakfast sausage and form it into patty balls. Get those on the griddle and smash using a burger press. Once that bacon is nice and browned, we're going to get some frozen hash browns down and cook in that bacon grease. While those cook, we're going to continue to cook our breakfast sausage and get those moved over to a low heat side. We're going to cook those hash browns until they're nice and crispy and get them removed as well. While those cook, we're going to get our pancakes down. Cook until they're golden brown on each side, and then it's time to fry up some eggs. After that, we're going to assemble the Crunchwrap Supremes with a big flour tortilla, pancakes, breakfast sausage, egg, bacon, hash brown, cheese, and another pancake. We're going to make folds towards the center, and then we're going to get it dipped in our French toast batter. Get it back on the griddle and cook for a few minutes until it's browned on each side. Then we're going to drizzle it with some syrup, and it's on the table. Enjoy.